Phambi police station commanders.
Like, we should be running those businesses, but they excluded us.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, we have a very big problem in this country. And if we are not standing up, coming together as one and deal with this problem once and for all, I'm telling you, we will regret it later. I can see ukuthi abanye abantu, including us patriots, they don't see ukuthi inkulu kangakanani le nkinga esibhekene nayo. For people to invade your country like this, it's not a joke. And do as they wish, even telling you ukuthi they are not going anywhere. That is not a joke. And our leaders are pretending as if they don't see what is going on. Let's watch this video, guys.
It's just biggest thing.
So guys, the reason why I'm saying we are having a very big problem, because after this, after what happened in Alexandra, after what you are seeing here in this video, I heard that Amaphoyisa are looking for these patriots. These citizens are fighting for their rights. These stalls, all these places are supposed to be owned by South Africans. They've been begging the municipality to say, please, remove these people from there. We want to trade there. We want to run our small businesses there for us to survive, because we are unemployed. These foreigners are taking everything away from us, jobs, businesses. So please, municipality, remove these people from there. The municipality refused. The government refused to remove these people from there. Then the community said, let's do it for ourselves. Now, police are looking for this same community community that is fixing their own town. They are fixing Alexandra for themselves, for the future of their children. But the government is saying no. So that is the reason why I said this is too big for us to just sit down and watch other people. And the reason I'm saying that again is because sometimes if we see people like Jacinta Phakela Mthakathi on the street, you will see, if maybe you post a video of Ama Patriots doing all these things, you'll see Ama comments, eti, "Oh, please come to Kimberley, please come to Enquthu, please come to Free State." And you'll ask yourself, ukuthi, how can uJacinta leave KZN and go to Northwest to fight for people in Northwest? Bazocomplain bethi, hey, ngapha ama-Pakistanis enzela noma yini. Please come to Free State. And uzibuze wena ukuthi, what are they doing? Because these Pakistanis are abusing them, are invading their own land now. What are they doing for themselves there? Why are they calling uPhakela Mthakathi from KZN? Why are they calling Victoria Africa from Soweto to come to Northwest to fight for them? What are they doing for themselves as the community? Even if maybe a Pakistani unalive a child or something, you'll hear them calling people from Eastern Cape to say, please come and help. What are you doing as a community? Even these people, these patriots you are seeing on the streets, they are not wearing iron. They are not soldiers. They are not trained to do all these things. It's just for you as a community member to mobilize your people around the area to go there and deal with this situation. Go and report to the police station. Tell them, look at what Pakistanis are doing. Have a proof uyile police station wayobika. Then if they refuse to go, behave like this community. Do the same as this community is doing there in Alexandra. Go and do the job for yourself. Because if you report, then they refuse to do the job. What can you do? There's nothing you can do because something must be done. Vele, because you are the one now is carrying this load of these foreigners. And he is even arguing with the patriots. Why? Because the government is on his side. He's not going back to Mozambique. He's moving to another corner. He will put a table there. They are telling us in our faces, I remember when General Mkhwana said, this fight is very big. It's not going to be easy, but we have to try. We don't have to be like these people who are running away from their countries. It's not in our culture. It's not in our blood to run away. We have to stand up and deal with this situation. And abanye abayinkinga ilama protection fee, lama security companies abagadayo. Abanye nabo futhi abayinkinga on top of inkinga esinayo. Okumele nabo kudilwe nabo. Abakwazi ukuthi bazodestroya i-country because bona baya benefita from those people. What about us who are suffering? What about the children who are being unalived by these people? What about the brothels that are keeping small kids there? What about everything that these people are doing in this country? Are they not fathers? Are they not mothers? Why are they doing this to their own country? The selfishness, shame. It's too much. Uma kuthiwa abantu badiniwe, abantu bakhathele, kushiwo into efana nale. Ama-South Africans adiniwe, akhathele. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi even after everything eyenzakalayo, after all this damage, after all this thing eyenzakalayo, Alexandra, these people are still saying, we are not going anywhere. He will not say, no, let me just go because these people are serious about what they are doing. And ugovernment wethu eSouth Africa uyigoqela izandla bayilalele barelaxile kuyaliwa abantu bayabulalana ngaphandle abanandaba. Kumnandi kubona, kumnandi kwi-ANC, kumnandi kwi-GNU, kumnandi kubozana uPF uma bebona izinto zenzeka kanje. Why ugovernment wethu engasolve lezi inkinga esikhala ngazo ukuthi zihlukumeza thina more than ama-Zimbabweans, more than ama-Mozambicans? Because bona mabela eSouth Africa, they are comfortable, they are getting jobs, bahijack amabhilidi benza zonke izinto abayithandayo. Then abantu abahlukumezekayo ithina. So ubani okumele ukuthi acomplain phakathi kwethu nabo? Angithi bona vele they are comfortable in South Africa, they are working, they are having everything. Ithini abantu abahlukumezekayo? Ugovernment wethu okufanele ukuthi ngabe ucabangela thina ukuthi my people are not working. Ama-South Africans awasenama opportunities even for small businesses. Instead, they are inviting these people to come in numbers to do all these things. And if we are complaining about these people, we are being blamed. Ukuthi xenophobic, this and that. So uyayibona leyo nto ukuthi ukublame lama president, ukublame lama leaders ase-Africa is a waste of time because bona kubona i-relief ukuthi abantu babo behambe beze la eSouth Africa. Umuntu or abantu thina kumele sibhekane nabo. It's our own government, it's our own president. Ekumele sibuze ukuthi wathula nje sihlupheka, wathula singasebenzi, wathula iy'ngane ey'ngatholi iy'khala ey'koleni because kugcwele. But instead ukuthi basilalele bayenze leyo nto esiyicelayo, bavele besithethise, bavele besithuke basibize ngamagama. They will not tolerate us chasing these people from our schools, from our hospitals. If they are here in South Africa legally or illegally, the constitution is allowing them to get all those things. So you understand ukuthi land of vele i-deeper. Asiyilwele thina. And kakhulu asiyilwele ngevoti. Ivoti into ezosikhulula. Vote for a patriotic party.
Country zolunga kanjani mara commanders? Country bavula phambi kwe-police station. Bavula phambi kwe-police station. Mara sithi bahambe phambi kwe-police station commanders.
Like, we should be running those businesses, but they excluded us. The system abayifakile beletha lama foreigners in our country.
Yeah.
And I'm saying we can't have that. That's why we need to vote the ANC out.
Are you telling me these systems were put there deliberately?
They were.
Okay.
They were.
Exclude the
South
same-
Africans.
To exclude the same people who have voted them to be in power.
And the people that belong to this land.
Yeah.
We belong to this land.
And I agree with this lady. Lento yenziwa ngamabomu. From the beginning, lento yenziwa ngamabomu. Unfortunately, some South Africans ababona ukuthi lento yenziwa ngamabomu from the beginning. Bayalwa bedefenda uMandela. Lento yenziwa just after 1994. There is a journalist from Swaziland owayikhuluma lento le. Le journalist yaseSwazini yayisho lento yathi ama-Africans already, especially Nigerians, before 1994 base belindile uthi uthi from 1990 abantu especially base-Africa, especially Nigerians, kuthiwa babegcwele eSwazini from 1990, 1991, 1992 up to 1993. After 1993, lesikhathi siqala sithola inkululeko kuthiwa bahamba bonke. ISwaziland yayi-confused ukuthi where did they go to? Then they realized after ukuthi bebelindile bebehleli eSwazini belindile ukuthi kukhululeke iSouth Africa ukuze beze bezongena because base betsheliwe vele ukuthi as soon as nje kuvuleka niyangena. Uthi from the beginning they were asking themselves ukuthi how can umuntu esuke eWest Africa, eNigeria, ezweni elingcono eze kwi-small kingdom like eSwaziland ethi uzofuna ama-greener pastures khona. Uthi they were confused, they did not know ukuthi what's going on until kuphuma umbuso we-apartheid kuzongena i-ANC. They all moved from Swaziland to South Africa because babelindile the time bese Swaziland they were waiting ukuthi as soon as uMandela engena nje kuyavulwa amabhoda bayangena. But abanye abantu bayakuphikisa lokho bathi uMandela fought for our freedom. Which freedom are we having as Black South Africans? Are we free right now? Mandela went to prison to fight for the freedom of Africans, but not for Black South Africans. Lelo iqiniso lingasoze laphikiswa. Njengoba uyubezwe nabo besho bethi thina sabizwa uMandela. even though Mandela engasekho, but ANC is still fulfilling its dream kaMandela. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.